Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op FIFA on the same console. First, ensure you have two controllers connected to your console. Once connected, launch the FIFA game. From the main menu, select the Kick-Off option. This mode is perfect for local multiplayer. Next, you will choose your favorite teams for the upcoming match. It's a straightforward process to get started with a friend right beside you. After selecting Kick-Off, each player needs to press a button on their respective controller to join the game. The screen will then prompt you to assign each controller to a specific side. For co-op play, it is crucial that both players are assigned to the same team. Double-check your selections to confirm you are on the same side before moving forward. This step ensures you are truly playing together. Before the match begins, you have the opportunity to customize various game settings. You can adjust the match length, choose the difficulty level, and even select your preferred stadium. Don't forget to pick your team's kits and set your formation. Take a moment to review all the game settings to ensure everything is just right for a fair and enjoyable match. Once satisfied, simply press the start button to kick off your co-op game. To maximize your co-op experience, effective communication with your teammate is key. Talk about your strategies and movements on the field. Share both defensive and offensive responsibilities to cover all areas. Try to utilize skill moves and intricate passing combinations to break down your opponent's defense. Most importantly, remember to have fun playing together and celebrate every goal you score as a team. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.